Hola a todos.
Time passing by, will I see you again? Tell me you need me. This can't be the end. 'Cause though we're so far, you're still under my skin. Need you here with me. This can't be the end, no. I know we can make this work if we just put each other first. Take the leap and reach for me, 'cause right now we'd be drifting into foreign seas. Will you come and follow me? Different places we can go. Why don't you meet me up in Tokyo? Why don't you meet me up in Tokyo?
Les quería recomendar un servidor al cual jugué mucho tiempo porque es muy bueno y su comunidad es muy agradable. Les dejaré la IP en la pantalla y en la descripción. Nada, eso era todo. Hasta la próxima.